I'm gonna show you how to make a bacon marinade right now. Smoked paprika, tomato paste, extra virgin olive oil, liquid smoke, soy sauce, and fresh cracked black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper. Mix this up together, put it on your favorite meat substitute, and you have bacon.
It is recording.
Alright, what the... Alright, let's do this. What's up, people? So today I'm showing you an elevated BLT. Now this BLT is going to be made with a olive oil toasted sourdough. Put that into the oven, and in the meantime we have our tomatoes. These tomatoes were actually grown on my balcony, so this BLT is going to be very special. All right, oops, edit that one out there. All right, we got our tomato slices, put that to the side there, and we're going to pause this. So what you're looking at right here, since this is a plant-based channel, we have tofu bacon. This is all done in-house. You can check out the recipe on another video that we have up on YouTube. All right, make sure you just type in tofu bacon recipe and it'll come up. I'm just really happy with how it came out. It's like the perfect bacon. This marinade consists of some delicious liquid smoke, salt, smoked paprika, some other delicious ingredients. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we have our tomatoes, tofu bacon, arugula right here, and some house-made mayo as well.
All right, let's get this bread out of the oven. Slide you on back there.
House-made mayonnaise. Doesn't get better than that, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, you know what's about to happen here. So now you have two options. You can put your mayonnaise on the inside, or you can put it on the outside. Sometimes people will toast both sides. I like a little play on texture, so I like to do toasty one side, soft on one side. All right, but when biting, which way? I'm gonna edit that out. All right, okay, let's get this show on the road. Mayonnaise. Oh, look at that, beautiful spread, right? And if your mayonnaise melts, that's fine. Bread is nice and hot. All right. Remember, this is house-made mayonnaise, so it's soft, but we're here for the flavor. All right. Now let's go with our bacon. All right. We are making a BLT, so bacon. For our lettuce, we're going with arugula. Alright, like I said, we're doing an elevated version of a BLT. So normally you'll do romaine, iceberg. I like romaine because I like arugula. I like arugula because it's peppery. Alright, so we have our tomatoes on there. I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, fresh cracked black pepper. All right, right on top. Boom. Let's cut into this baby. Let's cut into this baby right here. Look at that. Yes, BLT, like nobody's business. Woo! So it looks so nice. Picture now. Come on. Here's your sandwich.
That's so big.
Just pray your kids don't get my big head too. Your favorite? Sourdough. She hates sourdough.